up here often come from down there in your carpet. Well, Shake and Vac from Glade is here. It's all you have to do. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. When your carpet smells fresh, your room does too. Every time you vacuum, remember what to do. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. When your carpet smells fresh, your room does too. Every time you vacuum, remember what to do. Do the shake and vac and put the freshness back. Shake and Vac, the carpet and room freshener from Glade. You've seen me shake and you've seen me vac. Now it's your turn to bring the dance back. Log on to www.glade.co.uk.
Heading back to work?
Boo?
Yeah, go on, love.
Wondering how to tackle the tea round at a safe distance? Introducing the social distancing teapot.
Oh, that's great. What about sugar?
Right, that number needs to go way up, alright? Next page.
95.
Party ring. Alright, this number here.
It's our responsibility. We'll push back to Thursday. Yeah, that's fine. I know. Of course.
Your page 2's fine, right? Go to page 4. It's the same picture as page 2.
Okay, so this probably isn't the answer. But however you do it, please enjoy your proper brew safely when you're back at work.
DC League of Super Pets are powering into your McDonald's Happy Meal. With DC League of Super Pets, and right now you can choose delicious apple slices and grapes. Some fun, some food, it's all inside this Happy Meal. The SpongeBob Happy Meal is now at McDonald's. Come and meet everyone down at Bikini Bottom.
Gary? Squidward? Not a sign of Squidward anywhere.
Where is everybody?
Sammy! She's gone! Patrick's gone too. Crab! He's gone too. Where did everybody go?
SpongeBob and friends and enjoy juicy apple slices and grapes at McDonald's. Some fun, some food, it's all inside this Happy Meal.
Warning: there is a huge missile coming to London, Liverpool and Manchester. It was launched by Russia. This is an unknown missile. Our government will cease operations in a week. Also destroy these following cities, and also COVID-19 is coming to these cities. Call 0800 112 4272 for more news, or 370,000 100222. Evacuate to the nearest bunker or the nearest attic you can find in your house. If not, then hide in your bathroom or something. Stay safe. Pack on food, water or any other drink besides water. This missile is very powerful and it's been sent by Russian government in Moscow. Putin send this new to these locations. He send the 3 of these. A siren will go off in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes the missile will arrive from Russia. Please evacuate now. This is the United Kingdom government of BCC right now telling you to evacuate or you will die. Wear a gas mask if you can't find a bunker, and hide somewhere safe. If you don't have enough time, then looks like you're dying. Sorry if we are interrupting your channel programs. We will shut down these channels programs for 1 day, so be sure to grab a radio and grab some batteries for the nearest news. We'll tell you some news, and also grab a charger so you Can charge your phone, your tablet, your computer, or anything else. If you have a TV, don't get a TV, only get a small one that you have, because the big ones are heavy. Good luck, and we hope all of you survive. This is the British government and the BCC News. I'm Brandon, and I'm right now premiering this news. Bye.